101 money making classes today. Like, I'm gonna give y'all the tea in case y'all want to create a YouTube channel. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how YouTubers get to this money, like 101 money making classes today. Like, I'm gonna give y'all the tea in case y'all want to create a YouTube channel, because first of all, let me address something, y'all. I know I just made a post talking about I can't record, my camera's acting up, whoop-de-whoop, blah blah blah. I thought it was the end of the world. I thought my camera was broken. Took it to Best Buy. They wasn't even supposed to help me with my camera because you didn't buy it from their store, and I did not buy it from Best Buy. But this guy there was nice enough to fix it for me, y'all. My slow self had my settings on to shut down every 16 seconds. So I'm thinking like my camera was overheating or something. I couldn't figure out why I was shutting down. But that was one reason. And the second reason why I kept shutting down is because my husband bought me an SD card for Christmas last year. It was a micro SD card that came with an adapter to go into the camera. Apparently micro SD cards are better for GoPros and action cameras and stuff like that, so they don't last long with DSLR. So I had to go back today and buy a 128 gigabyte SD card. That's just the SD card. It's not an adapter. It's just a full SD card, and it don't come with that little small chip. So I was able to go and do that today. So your girl is back in business. Let me knock on some wood, because I hope this worked. But yeah, he helped me out, and he was kind enough to help me out. So I'm back in business. Ain't nothing stopping this show. Even though I wanted to be mad because I missed like 3 videos went to waste. It's cool though. It's cool though. So anyways, back to the topic. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how these YouTubers and myself be getting to the money, like, period. But before we start talking about that, y'all, I do a lot of, I don't know why. I can't see myself just sitting here like this. Anyways, before we start talking about that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, if you're not subscribed to my channel, why is you here? Subscribe to my channel. Because if you get this far in my video, that means like you like something about me that you're continuing to watch. So go ahead and continue to watch and click that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over how people monetize their channel. Monetize mean like basically a YouTube partner program to where you can make money off your videos. I'm going to talk about sponsorships, other ways YouTubers make money, a range of what they make, how YouTube calculate how much you make, and all that good stuff. Okay, so first of all, in order to start making money on your channel, you have to be in the YouTube partner program. The YouTube partner program, as long as you follow all their guidelines, then you're good to go and set up your monetization programs. Back then, it was easy. When I first started my channel, you just go in, you apply for the YouTube partner program. As long as you're following all of the rules, then you can monetize your channel immediately, like with no rules. But back in February 2018, they changed the rules to where you got to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. So your videos has to have been watched for 4,000 hours within the last 12-month period. Videos accumulated all together, not one video, but just videos accumulated all together. And then you're able to apply for the YouTube partner program. Before, your channel would be monetized in 3 or 4 days, but they don't do that anymore. It's so many channels that they're trying to weed out, fake channels, all that it takes longer. Mine took a couple of months before I got monetized, so I went months without making money off my channel or anything like of that sort. But I still kept doing YouTube because it's fun and it's something that I want to do, and I knew my time would come. So after you apply for it, you set up your monetization, you still ain't getting your coins yet because YouTube is partnering with Google. You have to set up a Google AdSense account. They have to verify that it's you. And they have to verify your address, your name, your social, all of that, for like tax purposes and all that other stuff, in order to be paying somebody out money, putting direct deposits in your account. So from there, once you get approved for their partner program, you're going to go and make an AdSense account. You make your AdSense account, they're going to ask for your address, and then to that address, they're going to send like a little folded paper that has a little Google thing on it, and it's going to send you a pin. It's a pin code that you're going to type in to set up your account, verify your account. It's like a verification, basically. Like, it's step by step. It goes by everything. So once you verify your account, and then you can start making money. So monetization is done based on ads you're placing in your videos. I know a lot of people who watch YouTube who probably think like, dang, why these ads in the video? Why YouTube putting these ads? Why are these ads popping up in the middle of me trying to watch this tea, sis? Well, it's because the YouTuber put those ads there. YouTube don't put the ads there. The YouTuber put the ads there. So if your video is 10 minutes or longer, you can put as many ads as you want in your video. If your video is less than 10 minutes, you can only put an ad at the beginning and the end of the video. You have the choice to put ads that can be skipped or ads that can't be skipped. So it's like a win and a lose situation for those kind of ads. Because if you put skippable ads, you will make more money because you're forcing people to sit there and watch the ads. But also you're risking people clicking out of your video because they don't want to sit there and watch the ads. Whereas if you're putting skippable ads, they can be skipped by the person that's watching, and also it'll make them want to keep watching your video because they can just watch a couple seconds and skip the ad. Nobody want no non-skippable ad. If I had a non-skippable ad, most likely I'm clicking out of that video, which you're losing out on views. So I always put mine to where it's a skippable ad. So I usually put like 2 or 3 in a 10-minute video, and then 1 at the beginning and 1 at the end. Usually people don't even get around to the end of the video ad, because once you get to the end and they be like, all right guys, that's pretty much it. I know myself, I'll be done with your video by the end. So that is how they make their money, through monetization. Monetization, YouTube only. Hey, YouTube calculate how much they're going to pay you. It goes by CPM. So you get a certain rate per 1,000 views. And every YouTuber rate is different. I know some people probably think, oh, all of their rate is the same. No, it depends on your engagement. It's so many factors that determine how much advertisers are paying YouTube to put ads in your video. It all depends. Most likely if you're a smaller YouTuber, your CPM is going to be smaller. But as you go up there, your CPM can go to $3, $4. I know YouTubers whose CPM is like $7, $8, $9, $10 per 1,000 ad views. So that is how they calculate how much money you will be making. I don't even know my CPM. Even if I did, I wouldn't say it because that's kind of like super personal. I will tell you guys how much I've made on YouTube, like a range. I'm not going to give you guys the exact number, but I'm not going to tell you guys my CPM because then y'all going to start trying to calculate my pockets, and that's just too much. So YouTube do take a cut of your money. If you're signed to a network, they do take a cut of your money. If you have a manager, they take a cut of your money. I don't know what percentage YouTube take. I honestly want to say like 40% maybe. I'm not sure. But YouTube do take a percentage of your money. And then if you have a manager and all that other stuff. So usually bigger YouTubers get a manager because they need a little bit more help managing their channel. But I don't really see a point in the manager when you're a smaller channel. I honestly don't see a point in the manager if you're one of those YouTubers that like to do everything on your own. Like you chill at home, you edit all your videos. Unless you have a lot going on, like you have other brands outside of just YouTube videos, then maybe you would need a manager or to sign to a network. But honestly, based on the reviews I watched about networks and stuff like that, I honestly heard that it's not like really worth it. So yeah, yes, a portion of your money is taken. You do not make all that money to yourself because the advertisers are paying YouTube and YouTube is giving you your cut, I think. Yeah, pretty much. For Google AdSense, they pay out their money to your, they only do direct deposit. The payout is between the 21st and the 26th of each month. But that month that you're getting paid for, you're getting paid for the previous month. So if you get paid on December 21st, that money is from all the money that you made and all the ads that were watched in November, from November 1st to November 30th. That's what that money is for. So you're getting paid for that previous month. I don't know why you get paid 20-something days after you already done long gone been finished with that month, but that's just how it works. But you can go to your Google AdSense account to see how much money is going to be deposited to your account around like the 12th through the 15th of the month. You can see how much they will be depositing into your account. Monetization is not the only way YouTubers make money. YouTubers make money through sponsorships, brand deals, and all that good stuff. I don't want to get too deep into it, but basically is when other companies pay a YouTuber for a full dedicated video about their product. product, for a review, for a shout out, for a 1-minute clip talking about their product, they get paid a certain portion of money for doing that. And I'm pretty sure you get paid more money doing sponsorships than you do making like money on YouTube. Money you make on YouTube it's not based on how many followers you got. You can have 1 follower and get millions of views. You still gonna get your money. It's not based on subscribers. So don't let the numbers fool you when it comes to this subscription stuff, because my highest viewed video got 444,000 views, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna get money just because I only got 20,000 subscribers. Like, you're gonna get paid based on your views and your ads. Pretty much. If you don't put ads in your video, you're not going to make money off the video. If you're copywriting other people's stuff or other people's music, you can easily get demonetized. So be very careful with that, because you could be losing out on money on a video you worked so hard for just to use somebody's 10, 20, 30-second clip of their song or their video. So be mindful when you're using other people's songs on your videos, because you can easily get demonetized and lose out on money. Want to see how much you've made in a certain amount of days or a date range? You would go onto the desktop YouTube site and click on your channel, Creator Studio, and you can go to your analytics, and in the top right corner you can pick the date range. You can click the last 30 days, this year, the last 365 days, last month, the month before that, whatever you want to see, and it'll tell you how much you made. Usually that's the amount that you would be getting. That's close to the amount range that you would be getting. Now, if you want to see how much you made total, even with before YouTube taking out their cuts, it's a couple more clicks. I honestly don't know how to get there, but I know the range that they show on the little analytics at first is the amount that you're going to be getting into your AdSense account, because AdSense have changed to where you can't see your YouTube analytics on there anymore. Before, you used to be able to see your YouTube analytics on AdSense, but you cannot do that anymore. Also, before you can get paid on YouTube, you have to reach your $100 threshold. So you have to make at least $100 before you can even get any type of payment. So if you made $8 one month, $10 next month, it's going to keep rolling over all the way until you make it to $100. So for me, the lowest amount I've made on YouTube is about like in the 100, a little over 100 range. The highest amount I've made on YouTube is a little under the 2,000 range. That's the highest I've made in the month, and the lowest I've made in the month is a little under 100 range. Obviously, that's when I first started YouTube, and it'll get better. But one thing you do need to know about this YouTube stuff is the paychecks aren't consistent. Like, it's all about you putting in the work, you putting in the consistency in order to see the growth, or your money lower based on ads and all of that good stuff. And you might think your videos, just because your videos are old, you're not going to make money off of them. If those videos are still getting views, you're still going to continue to make money off of them forever. I don't know everything. YouTubers get paid by YouTube partner programs, sponsorship, brand deals, branching out and coming up with their own brands. Don't let people fool you. YouTube is a job. It can be your career, and it can become a very successful career. If you have any questions, comment down below. If I get enough of the same question, I'll just make a whole new video. If it's not a lot of the same questions, then I'll just answer your question. I usually try to respond to everybody down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I think I want to do like some type of money making series, like some tips about when it comes to this YouTube stuff, because everybody is very secretive when it comes to it, and it's not even that serious. Like, I wish I knew some of this stuff before I started YouTube, but I really had to study YouTube, play around with YouTube, figure YouTube out before I could, you know, give you guys a little of anything. And even now, I'm only at like 21,000 and some change. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.